Welcome to a day in my life, travel edition, or whatever the heck I'm gonna call this video. Y'all saw my morning. I got up, had some coffee, had a bagel. Usually I make like a bigger bagel than that. I'll put like avocado and crap on it, but I don't have any of that, so I just put some butter on it. But yeah, then I did a workout. I don't know, I took a little bit of footage, but it's so bad, so I'm probably not gonna put that in here. I don't know, maybe I will. But yeah, then I got ready, and then I just filmed a video. I'm probably gonna have it up before this one, but I just filmed my holiday gift guide, and I'm super excited about it. It was fun. It was a fun one to film. I hope it comes out okay. Like, after I edited a little bit, I have a lot of work to do on it, but I'm excited. So yeah, I did my hair. I don't know, I feel like I talked about it before, but I've been trying to do that straightener, flat iron curl thing. You guys know what I'm talking about, this thing. But I can't get it right. Like, I can do this side, but when it comes to this side, it just doesn't work, so then I ended up using my curling iron. So, but it's like falling out like really bad, which I don't really mind, but yeah. So it's funny, I just filmed that video sitting here, and I have bath towels and ramen noodles in the back. Yeah, so anyways, I was gonna do most of this video just like, you know, like talking or anything like that, but I figured I'd kind of give you all the rundown on what's going on. It's Friday, so that's exciting. The weekend is here, pretty much. Don't know what we're gonna do, but maybe we'll go to like dinner tonight or something. I kind of feel like going out in public, since I actually made myself look presentable today, but I don't know, we'll see. I thought about maybe like, I don't know, I had a coffee this morning and it's 1:30, and like someone posted a Starbucks order and it sounds so good, and I'm like, ugh, I'm trying so hard not to get it. But I am also pretty hungry. I had that bagel this morning at like 8 o'clock, and then I had like a little mini bag of Doritos right before I filmed that video because I was starving. And Zach doesn't get done for another 2 hours. So I thought about going to maybe like get a smoothie or something. So maybe I'll do that, but I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I just wanted to check in with you guys and see what was up. Not that you're responding right now, but I don't know. But I'm in a better mood today, which is good, because I have been, kind of cruddy lately. Let me stay over here. But I think it's because I like got myself ready and like kept myself busy. Does that make sense? I don't know. See, I kind of like when my hair kind of falls out like this, and then it just like, the way it's like shaped, it kind of like goes like this almost. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like voluminous up here and then it like tapers down. I like that. So yeah, that's all that's going on here today. I'm glad I got that video recorded pretty easily. Didn't have too many issues, so that's always good. Yeah, I'm wearing some of those new earrings that I got that were in the last vlog, I think. The ones that I got from Target. These are the biggest size on there. They are flimsy, like the quality is not, you know, anything, not anything great. Like, you probably won't be able to tell, but like, yeah, like they're not, you know, expensive fancy earrings, but they're cute. And it's like, there's a plane outside. It sounds like we're at home. But yeah, it comes in like a pack of 3, like 3 pairs, 3 different sizes, and they're $6. Like, for $2, like, these are fine. But yeah, that's all I'm up to. I'll probably maybe do some computer work. I don't know. I probably should, because if Zach's like not working much this weekend, then I'm not gonna want to do any work, so yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to talk about. If I do anything exciting, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I went and got a smoothie, and I went to this place called Robex in Jacksonville, or where am I? Atlantic Beach, I think, technically, in Jacksonville. I'm pretty sure this is Atlantic Beach, but that's pretty good. I got the Emperor Acai, and it's like sweet, but it's not like overbearingly sweet. That's good. I like that. I forget what's in it. He told me it was good, so I got it. I think like blueberries, strawberries. There might be Greek yogurt in it. I don't really remember, but it sounded good, whatever it was. Pretty good though. You can definitely taste the acai in it, and usually I feel like when you get any like smoothies with that in it, it just, you don't like really taste it. Does that make sense? It probably doesn't make sense, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I kind of thought about like, oh, you just got like some straight up double chin action there. I thought about like going to the beach, but like I kind of just want to like drive. I wish there was a road. Well, I guess there kind of would be, but it's not like really close. I just want to like drive like next to the beach, but like basically anywhere you go, even in Virginia Beach pretty much, like you can't just like drive next to the beach. You have like buildings and houses and stuff like that. I'm like rambling, but yeah, you get it. That one thrift store I went to the other day is up here, but I'm not in the mood. Like, I feel like everybody kind of like does this. Like, you have to be in the mood to go thrift shopping, like, because you have to like rifle through stuff. But I'm not really feeling that right now. I kind of want to like walk around the mall or something, because I haven't done that in so long. But the mall is like more towards the center of town, and I don't really feel like going that far, so I'm just gonna like drive this way and see where we go. So yeah. Okay, we're just gonna, that's fine. Just slam on your brakes, it's cool. I appreciate that a lot.